This is a practice video for Across the Wind by Doug Spata. This is the viola and violin three-part. So I wanted to go over a couple sections first before doing a run through with you guys. So starting off with measure 21. So you're going to see this pattern on this first page, and then it's repeated over again on page 3. So if you're looking at this and thinking this looks crazy, it's really not that bad. So 21 through 35 is the same exact notes as 109 through 123. Then it repeats itself again, 125 to the end. So once you learn this chunk, you just have to do it 2 more times in the piece. So here's how this goes. You have 1 flat in the key signature. We're in the key of F major. So you're going to have a B flat, low 1 on the A string, and then low 2s on all the strings for violin, and then just on G, D, and A for viola. So what we're doing here at 21, so again, remember you have a B flat, you're going to slur together with a stop at the end, your A, B flat, A. Then a quick little A up bow, do it again, and then 3 ups. So again, in slow motion goes. Once you get that faster, I'd like those A's or those up bows, the staccato eighth notes, to be a little bit off the string. So we're going to keep it in the lower half of the bow, and you'll kind of use the fingers of your bow to kind of pick up a little bit. So it just has that nice light quality to it, nice spiccato bowing. And then you just change your fingers. You just change the pattern. I put the finger numbers for the beginning of each measure in for you. It is easy to get lost throughout this section. But again, it's going to sound like this. And so on. That last one's a little weird. So once you get that down, the next section to look at is measure 50. So the bowing pattern for this one, start on a 4th finger, up, so slurring the first 2, up, slur the next 2, and then separate. And just like before, once you get it up to speed, taking it off the string, put a little accent at the beginning of each measure. That's going to help keep us together as well. And then, like I said, the last page is the same as 21. So other than that, those sections, you want to be using a lot of nice full bows for the melodic parts at measure 13, at measure 68, and all of that. So it's a good contrast between your spiccato and lifting off the string versus really full bow digging into the string for some good tone. So we're going to run this whole thing now. No repeat at 96. We're just going to go straight through it. Same thing at 39. I'll take the second endings. And I have the metronome set at a quarter equals 115. Again, if that's too fast, slow it down. Just work those tricky parts rhythmically and as far as your bow goes slowly, and then work it up. And I'm going to skip the beginning here. You guys can do staccato quarter notes. I know you can do that. I'm going to start at measure 12. All right, so here's measure 12, starting this crescendo build up into 13, the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second ending. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second ending. All right, so really focus on your bowing. That's kind of the main rhythm or main thing to worry about for this piece. The notes really aren't that bad. They're very repetitive, but it'll sound really cool all together. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.